I wanted to take this lecture as a special time for my weight loss courses. Over the last few weeks, I've gotten into contact with several different students that I have that are in the 300 and 400 pound range. And now, as far as recommendations go for dietary habits and eating, it's going to be pretty standard across the board for what course you're participating in now. So follow the dietary guidelines for this course and the eating programs for this, and you'll be great as far as losing weight goes. For exercise, it may vary a little different for you if you're on one of my programs or courses in which you're required to exercise. So if you are exercising, the first thing that I would recommend doing is sticking to low impact exercises. So if you're doing resistance training, keep sticking to the big muscle groups. Your pulling motion so that you can work your back and bicep muscles, your pressing motion so that you can work your chest and triceps, and then your quadricep and hamstring muscles. Anytime that you're working your major muscle groups, you're demanding more energy of your body, so you're going to be burning more calories and more calories from fat. You're going to be producing more lean, fat-burning muscle mass on your body. Stick to low-impact exercise, as I've said. Another great way to lose weight while you're exercising is go jump in a pool. When you're in a pool, especially a cold one, you'll be burning more calories because of the thermic effect that's happening between your body and the cold water. Your body is constantly fighting that cold to work back to its temperature equilibrium of 98.6. So you'll be burning up to 2 to 4 times as many calories as you would normally working outside of the water. So jump in the pool, run laps in the pool, swim laps in the pool, take a water aerobics class, whatever you enjoy in the pool. That's a great low impact, high calorie burning way to lose weight. So if you're in the 300, 400 plus pound range, take these notes, keep working hard, and if you need help with absolutely anything, as always, send me a personal message, reach out to me in the discussion section of one of these courses. I'd be more than happy to help you in any way that I can.